Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use the MiPermit app to pay for parking in North Essex. This clever, contactless parking payment app has many benefits, including exclusive parking offers, expiry notifications, and being able to extend your parking anytime, anywhere. It's the only change you'll need. To get started, simply download the free MiPermit app from the App Store or Google Play and register with MiPermit if you haven't done so already. Search for your location using the map, or use the search option. To pay for your parking, tap the Pay to Park button. Pop your vehicle registration into the first box, check your vehicle reg is correct, and don't worry, the app will remember your vehicle for next time. Select the day and time of arrival, followed by the length of your stay. Let us know if you'd like to receive an expiry reminder 20 minutes before the end of your stay, and enter your mobile phone number. Tap Continue. Double check all of your details are correct and tap Pay with Card. Apple Pay is also an option for you. The first time you use the app, you will be asked to enter your card details. Fill out the card details and tap Pay Now. Once payment is successful, your stay is confirmed. Rather than returning to your car, you can extend your stay by tapping the Current button. Locate your current stay and tap Extend. Select how long you want to extend your stay and tap Continue. As before, tap Pay with Card, and once payment is successful, your extension is confirmed. For more information, please visit our website.